Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Volkswagen ID.4 to WeConnect, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your Volkswagen ID.4 to WeConnect, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and turned on. Open the WeConnect app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your device. Once the app is open, select Sign In or Create Account if you're a new user. Follow the prompts to create an account or enter your existing credentials. After logging in, tap on Add Vehicle. Enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN. You can find the VIN on your vehicle's registration or on a label located on the driver's side door frame. Once entered, tap Continue to proceed. Next, the app will guide you through the connection process. Make sure that your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled. The app will prompt you to confirm your vehicle's model. Once confirmed, the app will search for your vehicle. If your ID.4 is found, follow the on-screen instructions to establish the connection. You might need to confirm a pairing request from the vehicle's infotainment system. Once paired successfully, you will receive a confirmation message in the app. Now, your Volkswagen ID.4 is connected to the WeConnect app. Explore the app to access features such as remote locking, charging status, and vehicle status. Complete any additional setup required for personalized features. Ensure your app and vehicle software are updated for optimal performance. Enjoy all the benefits of connecting your ID.4 to WeConnect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.